How to create a design such as this in Photoshop. Go to the gradient tool in the Tools panel, then go to the top left and select Classic Gradient if you're using the latest version of Photoshop. Then go to the gradients, click here and go for a legacy gradient and select the black to white. Use linear and blend mode of normal and apply the gradient from top to bottom, but just slightly angle it. So don't go straight down, but just slightly angle it away from the straight line and release. Then go to Edit and Define Pattern and click OK. Then go to Edit and Fill and then go, instead of white, set it to Pattern and then select the pattern you just created, which is this one. Go for Script, make certain that is on, Brick Fill and click OK. Then set the scale to 0.1, then 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0 and click OK, and there's your design. You can also vary the gradient, so maybe just go for a very short gradient and again put it at a slight angle and release, and then again edit and down to Define Pattern, click OK, then edit and again fill, and again select the pattern, make certain you select the new pattern, normal, brick fill, click OK and use exactly the same settings and click OK, and you've got another pattern design very quickly. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.